new rail tunnel under the Belgian Canal dock terminal is to provide additional access to the increasing cargo traffic in and out of the port of Antwerp. In order to build that tunnel, the shallow construction needs to be thoroughly protected during drilling activities. A massive concrete slab, reinforced with Bekaert DramixÂ steel fibers, will do the job. Before we poured steel fiber concrete, we set up an extensive testing program. We asked the engineering department at the University of Braunschweig in Germany to perform a feasibility study for the project. We then carried out some tests to see how easy it was to pump, since we needed to pump the material over a distance of 250 meters. The mix was to be placed underwater and had to be self-leveling to set perfectly horizontally. Steel fiber concrete is fairly straightforward to pump, provided that you take the right approach. In other respects, it's quite an easy type of concrete, really. Placing it is easier than placing traditional reinforcement cages and pouring the slab in normal concrete. Before we started pouring concrete, we carried out months of desk studies together with the people at Bekaert and our quality department. Firstly, to determine the dosage of steel fiber, and secondly, to work out the correct mix design to ensure the best possible quality and smooth pumping. That is why we used Bekaert specifically. It was the only partner that could guarantee that we would be working with so-called insight machines and have the steel fiber dosed automatically at the batching plant. I have to say that I was quite pleasantly surprised, both by the ease of control and the consistency of the mixture. We cannot afford any breakdowns at all, which is why we get continuous backup from the people at Bekaert. We have replacement equipment, dosing equipment and spare parts. And there are always people on standby, just in case any problems might arise. The success of this project depends on two important factors: logistics and quality. As far as logistics go, obviously when you're placing 14,000 cubic meters of concrete, you need to schedule a whole pre-delivery process involving both steel fiber and aggregate. We agreed a very tight delivery schedule with Bekaert for the fibers, and it was a success. I can certainly see a bright future for the Locobouw project, because a tremendous volume was placed in a very short time and under very difficult circumstances.